Well, in some news here this week on the Inside the Ice House podcast, NYSE's Joe Benaroche sat down with Wes Schroll, founder and CEO of Fetch Rewards, for breakfast on the balcony above the iconic NYSE trading floor. As the conversation started, Schroll talked about how consumer habits have led the way for Fetch's success and how in today's landscape they have more power than ever.
I believe that consumers are getting to a point where everyone continuing to launch their own one-off program is going to be toast. I think it doesn't work for either side of the equation. I think consumers are fed up with it. Consumers know that they're creating more value and therefore they can demand. I think with companies like Fetch, they've seen, oh, I can expect companies to come to me and play on my turf. I don't have to go and jump through all their hoops just to participate. So I think that's going to happen. But also for those companies, the smaller companies, when they're releasing these loyalty programs or different savings where the consumer's having to do all the work, the reality is the only people who are willing to spend all that work are the 10% of people who are already spending the majority of their spend with them. So it just becomes like a subsidy on the best consumers that you have. And that doesn't work for the company and that doesn't work for the consumer. So I think that's toast.
Well, as the conversation continued, Schroll breaks down Fetch's newest partnership with NYSE-listed American Express and how the new rewards card will provide more benefits to consumers.
American Express provides a bunch of other benefits to our consumers that now apply and get the card. They just have a brand that we also think our consumers are aspiring to own their first Amex credit card. And we're enabling that for them. So for us, it was a no-brainer. They were going to be the best partner for us because of the added benefits that they'll get the consumer, the brand affinity and match with our brand that we wanted. And we're super excited to now be live and rolling out that product to our consumers.
Later on, Schroll dove into how AI is impacting Fetch and how a week-long AI hackathon led to new innovations and the company's latest outlook on all the technology can provide.
So we shut down the company for a whole week, all 1,000 employees, and we just said, okay, this week is going to be your week to break up, and everyone broke themselves up into 200 teams, and they just went deep on learning all these tools. They chose projects that they wanted to do, and everyone went from idea phase all the way to live production. Like we had marketing folks doing live production. We had an AI hackathon for the whole company. Not super directive. We did bring in, Gemini, OpenAI, all these ones to come and do some talks at the beginning, show people what's possible. By Friday, when we were getting a demo of all of the different programs that those 200 did, because we were going to do a competition, who are the best, the 3 best ones. It was hard to even choose the top 50 because they were all so good. And they were meaningful and they were in live production. Like we have now productized a lot of the programs that we worked on there. And now even every Friday, we still shut down from noon to 5 p.m. for people to just keep retooling themselves on all the new advancements that happen.
Smart.
And everyone stepped up into it.
All right, thanks again to Wes Schroll, founder and CEO of Fetch, and be sure to tune in each week for new episodes of our flagship Inside the Ice House podcast. You can watch and listen wherever you get your podcasts, and of course, by scanning the QR code that you see on the screen.